had a 2-for-1 going on, y'all, and one of these guys came over here, man, and kind of just messed me up, man. Golly. Damn, it is what it is, y'all. Well, yeah, baby, we are back. We got a lot more crushing to be doing, baby. A lot more. Got the Monte Carlo going up next. I think I just got the frame sold on the truck, on the old school truck over there, the Chevy. I done got it sold already, so one of the guys, they'll be here picking that up. So it look like I just be crushing the cab and the bed alone by itself. But it is what it is, y'all. I mean, hey, some part of it didn't get saved, man. Not everything got crushed, man. So, you know, I mean, it is what it is, baby. We're gonna always be back, y'all, for more crushing. Always, always. I ain't got time for that. That could just fall right up on the ground. I'll deal with that stuff right there later. What about it right now? Hello. Let's go ahead and get us some stuff started, y'all. Man. Go ahead and take this baby up out of here. Yes, sir, man. Man, it's just one of those days, y'all. It's just one of those days, baby. Man. Damn, all my paper just blowing everywhere. Jesus Christ. Now, what's up, Neo Tank, man? I got another one for you, baby, right here. Got a Honda Odyssey again. Another one. It is what it is, baby. Get this right here going on. Man, I'm in that crunk mode right now, y'all. Y'all gonna have to excuse me, but I'm in the crunk mode. Yeah. You gotta make it all happen, baby. Make it happen, make it happen. Sneak 67, I ain't forgot about you neither, baby. I got something for you too. Got a MPV right here, MPV van right here, Mazda. Whoa, my hat about to blow all off and everything. God almighty. What? Go ahead and throw that right about in now. Yes, sir, man. Gonna throw that baby right about in there. Crunch. Crunch. Everything got to go, man. Everything gets shoved up off in there. I don't care what the hell it is. Bring it up off in there. Man, it's some shame to the game, y'all. Some shame to the game. Man, hold up. Man, JR Terry Graham, this one right here for y'all, baby. Got one right here with your name on it. It says your name. Man. Bam. Where that baby going? Y'all give me 1 sec. Sorry, y'all kind of messed up the door, but there it is right there, JR Terry Graham. Haha, man. Y'all, I don't know what it is, y'all. I'm just in that mode today, man. I don't know what it is, but I'm just in that mode today, baby. Boom. Right there, JR Terry Graham. Y'all go right there, man. Let's make this happen. Everything got to go, man. It's like a liquidation around this camp, you heard me? Shit, man, you gotta stay crunk when you're doing this, man. Ain't no other way but to do it, baby. Boom. Yeah, boom. Man. We're knocking those down, knocking those in. It is what it is. Oh, we got that non-stop going on right now, y'all. What we got, man, we got some of that non-stop crushing going on right now. That's what we had. Ooh, yeah, what else I got? What else I got? Oh, wait, yeah. What's up, Sneak 67? I told you I got something for you, baby. You don't get left out, man. Nissan Altima, right here. Directly, just for you. Man, that baby, she teeter-totting. She's about ready to fall off, y'all. Look at her. She's teeter-totting. Man, let me go ahead and take it slow. I don't want to mess up nothing over here. Well, there you go right there, Sneak 67. Gotta get it ready, baby. Booyah, booyah. Make everything disappear. We got some more death tickets, some more death certificates coming, and everything else we got coming, y'all. Man, it is what it is, baby. Hold up. Man, what's up, Hot Rod? I got another one for you right here, baby. Big Ford van, man. It got your name written all over. Look at that. Look at that. Hot Rod, baby. Man, y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know exactly what time it is with G-Money, man. Y'all already know. Y'all already know, man. G-Money got to get it, baby. Like I say, everything must go down. Aha! Hell yeah. Well, I forgot the front door. Damn. How can I forget the front door? Y'all know what time it is, baby. Y'all know exactly what time it is. Crunch time, baby. Crunch time. That's what time it is, baby. Crunch time. That's all for you, Hot Rod, baby. Don't worry. I got another big Ford van coming. Coming right on up, y'all. Man, y'all know what time it is with G-Money. Hey, what's up, James Paluch? What's up, Gene Hassenberry? Bueller, sorry, man. But this right here, y'all, this is for both of y'all, man. Woo! We got some big stuff, man. Damn, we got some big stuff. Boy, boy. Man, y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know exactly what time it is. We're gonna go ahead and crush the Chevys. Go ahead and put them Chevys up off in here. Man. I mean, it is what it is, y'all. Y'all know what time it is with me, man. Nothing gets saved, y'all. Everything gets crushed. What time it is, baby? That's exactly what time it is. Hey, my doors are turning all up. It is what it is. Woo, man. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There you go. There you go. Go ahead and shove it up in there. Go I'm talking about shove. Go ahead and bring her back down again. Shit, she is hungry today, y'all. Man, she been chewing up all kind of cars today, y'all. She's been chewing them up left to right, right to left. I mean, chewing them up, y'all. Y'all know what time it is with me, man. Y'all know G-Money don't play no game. He's got to make everything happen. Everything happens for a reason, baby. It all happens for a reason. So like I say, the old school Chevy truck, I forgot what year it was. I think it was a 84 model. I could be wrong. I'm not 100% sure. I'm guessing it. But as y'all can see, the Buick Regal and the Monte Carlo is going up next. So y'all get ready for that, man. That right there is about to get ready to happen, baby. What's up, baby? What's up? Man, what's up, James? What's up, Gene? Man, y'all know this is for y'all, baby. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Time for G-Money to get that nitty-gritty, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boy, man, I'm in the crunk ass mode. I don't know why, y'all. I'm just up there today, man. I have no idea why. I'm just there, man. That's all it is, baby. That's all it is. Let's see what we got here. Looks like nothing spectacular. Go ahead and throw this Chevy up right quick. Alright. Man. Woo. Boy, it has been a busy day, y'all. Busy for me. Man. Damn, I got glass coming inside my loader. Jesus Christ. Whoa, look at that. Damn, my tire just fell off. Damn. Good thing my groundman went under there. That'd have been a headache for him. Alright, let's go ahead and crush this design. There y'all go, baby. There y'all go. There you go. James, man. There you go, man. Both of this for y'all, baby. I ain't forgot about you, man. Y'all know what time it is. And y'all know what time it is with me, man. You gotta get it every day. Everything must go. Liquidation around this county, you heard me? Yeah. Hell yeah, man. Liquidation around this county. I'm gonna take this baby out right here. Well, I might not. Let me figure out something right quickly. I'll be right back, y'all. Yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and throw the Chevys with the Fords. We're gonna mix them all together, baby. That's what we're gonna do. Mix them all in together. All of them is finna go down. Everything goes down. Everything, baby. Man. I know exactly what time it is, man. Woo! All day nothing but just hustling, pumping, and pumping. All day long, y'all. All day. Man. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, that's enough on that one right there. Let's go ahead and stick the other Ford van inside. Well, like I say, y'all, man, I'm just in a good ass mood, man. Don't get no better than that, man, every day. I'm gonna stick this big baby up off in there right quick, like, uh-oh. Y'all give me a second, might take a minute. Alright, there we go. We done got up off in there, man. Took me a little bit, y'all. Woo, man. My phone fell down and everything. I'm just glad it didn't cut off. Woo, if it would have cut off, man, it'd have messed up the whole goddamn video. I don't need my videos getting messed up, y'all. They gotta be good. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, man, this sucker right here gonna be heavy, y'all. It's gonna be heavy, man. Boy, this sucker. It is a real bad habit, y'all, to make these super big bundles. It is a bad habit. Man, it is so bad of a habit, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Alright, let's go and get these babies out of here. Woo-wee, man. God damn. Damn. Man. I can feel my whole ass up in the air, y'all, behind this right here. Man, I can feel my whole ass. Oh, man. Good God almighty, y'all. This something is right here heavy, man. Golly, y'all gotta excuse my cussing, but... Woo! Man, that baby right there got some weight on her, y'all. Man. Woo! Y'all, we back again! Man, T-Money, man, is crushing up her steers on. Man, y'all know what time it is, y'all, man. I ain't even gotta tell you. You already know, baby. Man, you already know. Boom. Go ahead and shove all that off in there. Shove it all the way up off in there. Boom. There we go. Chevy Tevy. Chevy Tevy.